Okay guys, one of the other things you're going to be asked to do is to pop the bonnet and identify a few things underneath the bonnet. So first of all, we need to locate the bonnet catch. So on the passenger side, we can see it's just here, one pull to release. Okay, now to find the bonnet catch, just to the left hand side of the SEAT badge there, pop your finger under, there's a lever just there, so you're going to pop that to the left, you're going to rise that up, grab the yellow bit, pop it over into the holder, just over there, like that. Okay, another thing, there's 5 things under here. One of the things they're going to ask you to identify is where you put the wiper washer fluid in. So that's this blue one here, located on the right hand side of the engine bay, as you can see there. So you just top that up right to the top with washer fluid. Moving along, engine oil. So right in the middle of the old engine bay here, you've got the main engine block. You've got a little picture of an oil can there. That's where you actually put your oil in. And then this one, this is your dipstick. This is the one that they'd ask you how you would check your oil levels. So you'd say that I'd remove the dipstick completely, wipe it with a cloth, pop it back in, take it out again, and it's got to be between the minimum and maximum levels, which is marked on the end of the dipstick. So oil in, dipstick for checking it. Then the last two, we've got brake fluid. That's the one with .4 wrote on it there, which is actually one of the code names for brake fluid. And they could ask you again, which level, how do you know it's got enough in? And there's actually a little max word written there with a line. So again, it's up to the max level. And then we've got the washer for, not the washer fluid, the engine coolant. So you can see there's a temperature gauge there. So this is engine coolant. And again, they could ask you, how do you know it's at the correct level? And then you'd say between the min and max. Just down here it says minimum, and there's the maximum line just there. But you just got to give the answer just up to the maximum line between the min and max. You do not need to touch any of these things under here because the engine's probably going to be quite warm. So it's just a point and tell exercise. They'll only ask you 2 out of the 5 probably anyway. Cool.